This is your National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with the severe weather briefing for the Arkansas region for November 29, 2022. Highlights for this briefing: significant severe weather is possible today. Primary threat is tornadoes, some of which could be strong and long-tracked. Potential long-duration event. Other threats include up to tennis ball-sized hail and damaging winds up to 80 miles per hour. Flash flooding today in the Pine Belt region and also along the Natchez Trace corridor and north of the Interstate 20 corridor as well. Significant severe storms are possible this afternoon into early Wednesday morning. These severe storms are would be capable of producing strong long-track tornadoes, large hail up to tennis ball size, and damaging winds up to 80 miles per hour. Confidence on beginning time is lower, but we do expect activity to begin to become more intense into the early afternoon hours, with majority of the more significant weather more than likely after the 3 to 4 p.m. time frame all the way through at least around midnight, and with some activity extending into the overnight hours as well. Confidence is higher in the ending time, ending around midnight in the northwestern delta, around after midnight through 3 a.m. in the Interstate 55 corridor, and ending in eastern Mississippi along the Interstate 59 corridor around the 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. time frame. So we want to stress this could be looks to be a long duration event. Make sure to have your tornado preparations in place now, know where to go, and if you are put under a warning. And then in addition, make sure to keep your emergency alerts on your phone, have access to ways to get warnings, also weather radio and local media. Flash flooding today with increased potential in the Pine Belt region and also along the Natchez Trace corridor and north of Interstate 20. Majority of the activity in southeast Mississippi potentially could be in the overnight hours as the front slows down and moves in. With further to the north, there could be that more intense supercell activity, especially along and north of the Interstate 20 corridor and Natchez Trace. So some of those regions could see some locally higher amounts even than what is indicated here. Further in southeast Mississippi, there could be some 2 to 3 inches with locally higher amounts in the Pine Belt and 59 corridor. So this will last through tomorrow morning. So in summary, significant severe weather is possible today. Primary threat is tornadoes, some of which could be strong and long-tracked. This could be a potential long-duration event, and we want to stress to have your tornado preparations now. Make sure you have access to watches and warnings. Make sure you have means to access that. Other threats include up to tennis ball size hail and damaging winds up to 80 miles per hour, and flash flooding today in the Pine Belt region, especially into the overnight hours, and also along and north of the Natchez Trace and Interstate 20 corridors. So thanks for viewing this weather briefing. These are usually conducted on Mondays and sometimes on Thursdays. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please contact us at that number provided or on social media. Thanks.